Now that the body has been painted and fully cured, the interior has all been detailed and finished up as well. Some final components for the chassis like the wheels and some other parts and pieces still needs to be painted, so I firstly primed them with some Tamiya gray primer and then let that dry for a bit before moving on to painting them in their own colors. So now that the body is cured, I could move on to painting the inside as well, just some black with a brush, easy enough as it won't really be seen anyway. The panel lines need to be darkened up a bit as they are really deep and the paint didn't cover it all the way, so a bit of Panelline accent color from Tamiya will fix that completely. The taillights were painted red with a permanent marker as that is see-through onto the clear part itself and gives a really easy, nice finish. The rearview mirror could carefully be put in place, then the dashboard could be squeezed in as well, and then I could start gluing up all of the windows very carefully, making sure I don't really mess up or smudge some glue all over them. The tough part about the windows that are supplied with the kit is that they are flat and still need to be molded to the surface itself and get that curvature in them as well. Now the easy part about it is that they are really flexible and fit to shape really easily, though it is still a pretty tedious job. I firstly glued down the top strip and then carefully started gluing around all the edges, putting that in place and finishing it up at the bottom. The rear was a lot easier as that is pretty much flat, not entirely but most of the way, and the sides were pretty much the same as the rear. The interior could now be put in place as well, and I could start adding some of the grills in the front and also the big radiator piece. With the interior now sealed up, I could focus on the exterior in order to finish this all off. A lot of small components were glued in to start off with the headlight buckets, and then some bigger ones on the rear for the bottom half of the rear bumper. With the headlight buckets now cured for a couple of minutes, I could move on to gluing the lenses on and also moving my attention to the rear starting to assemble the taillights. This is a two-piece component with one for the inside part which stays clear. You could also paint it in a smoke finish, and the outer one that I painted previously could now be put in place. The multi-part disc brakes were glued together earlier, but there's the final detail piece for in the center needs to be folded up and stay silver, so that was folded around all of the edges and then glued into the center of the disc brake. The wheel mounting system was also glued on every corner, and I could then start on adding the calipers to the discs and fitting the tires onto the wheels, and then of course the wheels onto the car itself. If you've seen the unboxing on this kit, there are multiple sheets of photo etch with a lot of grills and parts and pieces for around the exterior. These were of course painted earlier, as you could see at the beginning of the video, and then glued in place one by one. In the kit you also get a small sheet of metal transfer stickers with a couple of Ferrari badges, one with a Ferrari script for on the top and also the prancing horse for on the rear. On the lower half of the rear bumper there are a couple of reflectors that need to be painted red, so I firstly painted it silver and then filled it in with a pipette and some clear red paint. And on each fender left and right there were some indicators which needed to be painted clear orange. I just did that with a toothpick and some Tamiya clear orange. To give a bit more life and depth to the wheels, I decided to add some Tamiya Panelline accent color to all of the wheel nuts, just to make that look a bit darker and as a separate piece and not just blend in with one entire color for around the entire wheel. Some decals were stuck onto the wheels, the front splitter was also put in place, and finally I added some Brembo logos to the calipers in order to finish this one off.